Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating cosmic tale of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies and their impending collision. Let's break down the key points. Galactic motion. 1. As the universe expands, galaxies usually drift apart. 1, but not Andromeda. It's on a direct collision course with our Milky Way. Andromeda's characteristics. 1. Andromeda, or M31, is a cosmic heavyweight, 1.25 times the mass of the Milky Way, spanning 220,000 light-years, and boasting a trillion stars. 1. And it's zooming toward us at 250,000 MIP. Collision prediction. 1. Gravity is the force at play, pulling these giants together. 1. Scientists predict a collision in about 4.5 billion years using the Doppler effect. Consequences of collision. 1. Get ready for a starburst event and possible quasars as the galaxies merge over 2 billion years. 1. Supermassive black holes combine, and even the Triangulum galaxy gets in on the action. Future galactic collisions. 1. Post-merger, the local group galaxies won't likely collide again due to universal expansion. Solar system impact. 1. What about us? Don't worry about your daily orbits, but there's a 50% chance we might move 3 times farther out. 1. A 12% chance of being flung into intergalactic space depends on Andromeda's velocity at impact. Conclusion. 1. In the grand cosmic drama, whether we're witnessing it from another planet or it's lights out for Earth, this collision promises to be an unforgettable show. 1. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cosmic wonders. Until next time, keep looking up.